Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hey everyone, looking at oil on the daily and weekly time frame, a key loss of support here. The 50-day moving average support at 47.19 is now lost. We had our lower high, and this is a lower low. Want to just check in on the current price, 46.67. So we've got to keep in mind that stock charts closes at 4 p.m. But obviously the futures are still trading. So there's a little bit of discrepancy as to when the candlestick actually closes on the daily time frame. So I like to use the shorter term time frames to eliminate that question. And we're seeing some key support here at 46. You can see the highs here rejecting from 46, tough resistance, and it's now acting as support. In the weekly time frame, if we lose this 10-week moving average of 47.62, it will be the first time on this bounce, which will show some weakness and have us looking down at moving average support in the low 40s. So what we were watching today that gave us a nice indication of this bounce, look at June 16th. The low was 45.84. Today the low, 45.84. That's a double bottom. We call that a bottom fishing play, where if you see a key support and you make an entry as we're approaching it, you put a tight stop loss where you get out as soon as that level were to break by the penny. If 45.83 were hit, you would be out of the trade. Obviously, you can give it some more wiggle room than that if you want, but it's a low risk, high reward play because it allows you to nail the bottom if you get a bounce off support like we saw here perfectly. So a bullish reversal candlestick. This is the 4-hour chart. We can see on the hourly, we confirm the bullish reversal, but at this point it's just an oversold bounce. You can see we have a lot of ground to make up. $47 key resistance on the hourly, a couple supports there, and then we lost it, so it's now going to act as resistance. And we'll be watching these shorter term time frames to see what kind of continuation we get. And then we can see these lower highs after 47. We'll be looking at 47.96. So that's the rundown with oil make that. We'll be back in tomorrow to check in and see what kind of follow through the bulls did have. 45.84 break is a bearish indication. I appreciate you watching. Have a good night.